This wig will not budge. It is not going nowhere. Strongest lace glue on the market, period.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur.
Today we will be installing a 40-inch wig using ice cream lace glue. This lace glue comes in clear and white. However, we've been receiving a lot of questions involving how to apply the clear lace glue, so let's get into it. Okay, y'all, step one is preparation. Preparation is key. This is the most important step to allowing you to have a waterproof and sweat-proof install lasting you weeks to a month. Step one, you want to take sea breeze or alcohol and remove any dirt, makeup, or oils from your skin to avoid your lace lifting. Step two, you want to take a skin protectant and apply this all over your hairline, your cap, and your wig. This is going to ensure that you have a bacteria-free install, a waterproof and sweat-proof install. Today, I will be going in with 5 layers. The first layer I will be using just to lay down the edges of my cap so it will not show underneath my wig. As you can see, I only applied 5 dots across my hairline, and I am going to take a rat tail comb and smooth the edges of my cap. You do not want to apply any more glue than that. You want it to be very, very thin and very, very minimum product. When I applied my dots, I put half of it on the cap and the other half of the dot is on my skin. This is going to make sure that your wig not only holds to your skin, but also to your cap for a longer lasting install. Now we are getting ready to apply our second layer of glue, and this time I'm only applying 3 to 4 dots of glue on each side of my head. The first dot is in the middle, the other dot is at the arch of my eyebrow, and the last dot is towards the end of the ball cap. You want to take a comb and smooth this down very thin. Then you want to go in on the other side and do the same thing. Apply 3 to 4 small dots across your hairline and then take a comb to smooth this product all the way down. This is going to ensure that your application is very thin, it's going to dry quickly, and it's going to give you the strongest maximum hold for your wig application. Before applying another layer or laying your lace down, you want to check that consistency. If it's stringy like this, you need to allow for more drying time, or you can just simply use a blow dryer on cool. That application should not be completely dry or stringy. It should be tacky, just like this. Once you tap it, it should bounce back. 1 bottle of ice cream lace glue will last you a very long time because you only need very minimum product. As you can see here, I'm only applying 3 dots to the side of my head. You want to take a rat tail comb, a beauty spatula, popsicle stick, anything that you have to smooth this product all the way down so it could be as thin as possible. That is going to allow for your wig or lace to adhere and for it to last a very long time. If you don't know where to place your 3 dots, I like to place 1 in the middle of my head, 1 at the middle arch of my eyebrow, and the last dot at the very end. And make sure that you are smoothing this product down as thin as possible for a longer lasting install. That is so important. Check the consistency of the adhesive between each layer or before laying your lace down. If it is stringy, you want to allow air drying time a little longer or blow dry it on cool. Once it's tacky, it's good to go. When I tell you this 40-inch wig was so heavy and so thick, the density was so full, y'all, I was in love. Now that the glue is tacky, you can go ahead and lay the hairline of your wig into that adhesive. If you have any lace or hairline above the adhesive, that is totally fine. You can just cut the excess lace. If there is any lace that is not covering the adhesive, please be mindful that it will stick to your melt band and it will cause for a very messy install. If you don't have these scissors in your wig kit, what are you doing? Y'all, these scissors are so beginner friendly. They have a little bit of curve to them. I believe they are nail scissors, but I will drop them down in the description box below. Y'all, these scissors are so easy to use and is a must-have with any wig install. For a natural looking install, you want to make sure that you get as close as possible to the lace that is not glued down and cut all of the remaining excess lace in a zigzag motion. If you cut it straight across, it will be noticeable and the hairline will not look natural. It is very important to not cut out any of the lace that is already glued down. This will allow for your adhesive to be exposed and it will stick to your melt band, causing a very messy install, and it will be a lot of cleaning up to do. And with cleanups, it calls for your lace to live and it's just going to be very messy. You totally want to avoid that. So here I'm just doing the same thing that I did on the other side by cutting out all that extra excess lace that's covering my ear. You want to take a comb and part out that extra lace first. Then go in with your scissors and cut the parted line. If you go in and just cut without parting it first, it's going to look very noticeable and very unnatural. Now I'm going to go in and glue down those little pieces of lace that did not get glued down. I am using what I call a hair watch just to keep this application process very clean and not messy. You can find this at your local beauty supply store or in the description box below. I will link this product down, but you just want to take a little bit of the glue and use a rat tail comb to smooth that onto your skin. I'm going to alternate just to give it a little bit more drying time before laying that lace down. Even with the small taps of hair, you want to apply very, very minimum product. You want to make sure that that glue is tacky before laying that lace down or another layer of glue. Now I am taking one of my most favorite products, my favorite, y'all, the ice cream melt spray. Y'all, this product is like an Instagram filter. It is going to melt like butter and allow for that lace to look so flawless, like it is literally coming out of your skin. It is very important to make sure that your entire lace is completely dry before applying this product, or your lace could potentially lift. Now, I know some of y'all put that melt band on and you just pray that when you remove it, it just gives scalp. But you're not going to have that look if you do not stretch the middle of the headband before tying it down. Y'all, at this point, I was getting so excited because I already know this lace is going to be melted. And anybody can pull, tug, twist, and this lace is not going to move. You cannot tell me this is not my real hair. Like, get into it. Get into it. The ice cream melt spray is going to give scalp every time. The ice cream lace glue is going to have that lace stuck until you're ready to remove it. And that protective spray is going to create a sweat and waterproof install. Y'all might as well get the entire bundle deal kit. I'm putting y'all on. Link in the description box below for a coupon code right now. Now let's get into these baby hairs, okay? If y'all want a detailed, step-by-step, super beginner friendly baby hair tutorial like no other on YouTube, comment baby hair down below in the comment section. I will drop a full in-depth tutorial. I'm talking about we're going to go over plucking. We're going to go over all the proper products, all the proper tools, how to properly swoop, the measurements. I am going to go over everything and leave nothing out. So if y'all are looking forward to that baby hair tutorial, comment baby hair down below. Y'all, I am so obsessed with this silky straight 40-inch wig. I am giving away the vendor, yes, the plug to this wig in the description box below. You will find where I got this wig. It will be super cheap because I'm giving you the direct plug. I have dropped so many gems in this video. Like, this hair is so tea. These products are tea. Y'all, get into the ice cream lace glue. This wig is literally not going anywhere. Like, comment, and subscribe on this video and let me know any future videos you would like to see from me.
From Jersey to